will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Tor browser app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps is here, and there you're looking for Tor browser app, or just click here on search. Then here at Tor browse app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this is click here on full stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for your browser app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.